Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Suunto 7 to an iPhone. First, ensure your Suunto 7 smartwatch is fully charged, ideally to 100%, before beginning the process. Next, download and install both the Google Pixel Watch app and the Suunto app from the App Store onto your iPhone. Finally, double-check that your iPhone's Bluetooth is enabled, as this is crucial for establishing the initial connection. Now, let's begin the pairing process. Open the Google Pixel Watch app on your iPhone, tap on Start Setup, and carefully review and accept the terms of service to proceed. The app will then search for nearby devices. Select your Suunto 7 from the list that appears. A 6-digit pairing code will be displayed on both your watch and iPhone. Confirm these codes match to establish the secure connection. With the initial pairing complete, continue following the on-screen instructions within the Google Pixel Watch app to finalize your watch's setup, including signing into your Google account. Once that's done, open the Suunto app on your iPhone. You'll need to log in or create a new Suunto account. The app will then prompt you to connect to your Suunto 7, allowing for seamless data synchronization of your activities and health metrics. To confirm everything is working correctly, open the Google Pixel Watch app and verify that your Suunto 7 is showing as connected. Also, check the Suunto app to ensure your activities and data are syncing properly. For optimal performance, always keep both applications updated to their latest versions. Remember to keep your watch and phone within Bluetooth range, typically up to 10 meters, for a stable and continuous connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.